Welcome to GMB Heavy Industries. If you want to stay ahead of the competition, it's time to modernize and upgrade your steel and iron-making plant. Here are 6 crucial reasons to keep your plant modernized. Increase productivity. Boost plant availability. Cut maintenance costs. Expand production capacity. Minimize unplanned downtimes. Ensure smooth operation. For over 40 years, GMB has been at the forefront of steel mill upgrades and modernization worldwide. We work hand-in-hand with North American plants to deliver top-notch services, from surveys and inspections to comprehensive upgrades. In today's competitive market, modernizing your plant is essential. Upgrading your facility can reduce long-term maintenance costs and enhance product quality. Some plants have seen productivity improvements of up to 50%. At GMB, we're with you every step of the way. From research and development to design, manufacturing, and installation, we ensure your plant remains state-of-the-art. Our expert team will tailor custom equipment to speed up your processes and cut costs. We pride ourselves on customer satisfaction and high-quality service. GMB Heavy Industries stands by your side until the very end, ensuring you're thrilled with the results. Ready to take your plant to the next level? Contact us today and let's get started.